Hey guys, this is for you guys out there looking for auxiliary power for the 1290 Super Adventure R. And if you might have seen that on page 212 there's fuse number 2 that's mentioning of the ACC1 and ACC2, and this is auxiliary power. Permanent positive is 1, and then connected to the ignition is 2. It's just that it's not clear where to find the cables in the 2017 Super Adventure 1290R. So I've been looking for that, and now I just want to give you the information if you need it. So yeah, you can see my bike here that I took away some covers. So I was on my way in to remove this plastic cover here on the side of the power outlet. And quite late in this process I found the cables, and it's easy to find them if you know where they are. I didn't. So what you need to do, you need to remove that little bolt that holds your instrument, your panel here. And as you can see, when I did that, it was quite easy to find the cables. It's just a little bit hidden in there, not really hidden. You just need a pair of pliers and grip them and pull them out. So basically the only thing you need to do is to remove the windscreen and then remove the bolt that holds your instrument panel. I think you know what bolt I'm talking about. This is the one with a like a quick fix to that. You remove this one and then you're good to go. Just pull out your cables and connect your GPS or whatever. That's what I'm going to do anyway. Here's my GPS bracket with the cable, so it's just to connect it. Good luck with that. Bye guys.